There we go. Alright. So, Dad, how long has this parakeet that we call bird brain been hanging off your bill?
About 8 minutes.
So he's just been sitting there hanging off your bill. Looking at you?
What's he doing? Huh? What's he doing?
Can't believe he just hangs upside down on your bill.
For you, he hangs on your hair.
Yeah, but he's just
There, are you all done? Huh? Are you all done? Yeah. Hi. Hi there.
Let me put him back on your bill once. Let's see what he does. Is he looking at me?
Yes,
There he goes. This is our parakeet. We call him bird brain. He's like a bat. He likes to give kisses. But it'll hang upside down on my dad's bill there for I don't know how long. What's the record, Dad?
about 10 minutes. This time he's really stretched out.
Look at this. This parakeet, by the way, does more than this. He's like a monkey with 2 feet.
Okay, come on down. There, you've been up there long enough. Now, woo, 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 woo. Yeah. Yeah, fun, isn't it? Huh? Woo. Now watch. He can get up by himself. Oh. Well, golly! Before he went all the way around and got up. Just don't go on me.
Don't go on me, meaning don't poop?
Yeah.
How many times did you say he's pooped on you? 20.
Oh, yeah, me. Can't count them all.
He's pretty quiet, though.
There.
There we go. One more smile for the camera. That's my dad, and that's bird brain. It's going on YouTube.